In this class, we see about the metabolism. The metabolism is a process in which the complex molecules are degraded or catabolized into the simplest product, and also some of the biomolecules are synthesized in the process that is called as metabolism. Here, the first way dietary foods are we ingested in our stomach. Then this undergoes digestion in intestine, and the useful important things, that means the vitamins, simple molecules of uh, carbohydrates like glucose, galactose, mannose, and the next one is in amino acids, fatty acids, cholesterol, and these are all absorbed by intestine, absorbed from intestine into liver. Then the metabolism is carried out. Not only liver, and all the peripheral cells and liver can uptake the uh, digested food material and convert this into metabolism. So the metabolism is defined as the entire chemical reactions network of the body. So network of chemical reactions carried out inside of our body, that is known as metabolism. After digestion, that is occur. Most of the chemical reactions in the body are enzyme catalyst, and also it is occur inside of cell of body. In any chemical reactions of our body needs following metabolites. These are the three components need to run the metabolic pathways. First one, substrate. The chemical in which on the enzyme act, that is known as substrate. Which substrate is converted into or degraded into, or can the precursor to produce the another, so that is considered as substrate. The next one, intermediate. Intermediate is the substances produced from the produced from the reactions, produced from the reaction or end product. These are called as intermediate. One pathway is running, almost the 10 reaction is carried out inside of, so many products are produced in every reaction steps ended. So these substances are called as intermediates. Then end product, after the final product, that means the substrate converted into a final end product after series of reactions. So the final product is considered as end products. And we see that pathway, sequence of enzymatic reactions taken place in living cells that produce specific product during metabolism, that is intermediate, that may be intermediate or end products, are called metabolic pathways. There are three type of metabolic pathways run inside of animals. First one, catabolic pathway, in which carbohydrates, lipids, and proteins are degraded to small molecules by sequence of enzymatic reactions. Next, catabolism, also known as catabolism, the breakdown of big molecules, carbohydrate, lipids, and proteins. These are considered as big molecules. They are broken down into small molecules like monomeric sugars, amino acids, and fatty acids, which yield energy to us, is called catabolism. Next, we see about the anabolic pathways, in which the carbohydrate, lipids, and proteins are synthesized from small molecules by sequence of enzymatic reaction. So they called anabolic pathway or synthetic pathways. Some of the pathways under this, which means the formation of big molecules from small molecule. And before catabolism, the big molecules converted into simple molecules, but here simple molecule converted into big molecule. And the amphibolism pathway, the both processes occur. One side it is synthesized, another side it is catabolized, so they called as amphibolic pathways. Then stages of catabolism we see here. It occurs in three stages. First one, conversion of complex molecule into their building blocks. Under this, the polysaccharides are broken down into monosaccharides, lipids to free fatty acids, and glycerol proteins to amino acid. Next, formation of simple intermediate. The building blocks produced in stages are degraded to simple intermediates such as pyruvate and acetyl CoA. The carbohydrate metabolism give pyruvate, then pyruvate convert into acetyl CoA. This is considered as intermediates. Then final oxidation of acetyl CoA acetyl CoA is completely oxidized to CO2, enter in electrons transporting system. First, the acetyl CoA enter in Krebs cycle, that means the TCA cycle. Then only it is enter in electron transport system. So that is final oxidation of acetyl CoA. Next, there are 4 to 5 reactions are carried out inside of any pathway. First one, oxidation reaction, reduction reaction, group transfer, rearrangement and isomerization, make and break of carbon-carbon bonds, and also so more reactions are carried out inside dehydrogenation. These are also carried out inside of the metabolism process.